Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Project C1. For those of you who don't know, who are new to the channel, welcome. My name's Dave, this is my project car, and please subscribe, it helps the channel. Today I'm doing something that I never really thought I'd do. I've done something a little bit stupid and bought something from AliExpress. I don't know why I did that. Whatever. I have got some number plate lights, some LED number plate lights. Yeah, let's get them installed. Right, so we've got the car up on the ramps and we're underneath the back of the bumper. This is the passenger side one, and in order to release the housing, there's a little clip here. You just push that up and out it comes. So under normal circumstances, all you do, you pop that out, twist, pull, and change your light bulb. These light bulbs actually work, so I am actually going to keep hold of those. With these, what I'm going to do is just make sure I've got it the correct orientation. So you've got a little clip there, big clip at the bottom. And I'm going to plug that in just there. Okay, and I'm going to switch the lights on and just test to see if they work. Okay, and indeed they do work. If you find that they don't work, then you'll have to take that out, turn it 180 degrees, and then plug it back in. It should work. Now then, what I don't like is the fact that that's exposed to the road. So I'm going to tape that and then we'll pop this light back in. So, as we can see then, that is a lovely and bright LED. Yeah, really happy with that. I'll get another shot later on of it during the night and I'll pop that in here. But other than that, I'm really happy. So, that was a nice easy job. They work a little bit better than I thought with them being a AliExpress cheap Chinesium special. But I suppose with that one only time will tell. The only thing that I don't like about them is the fact that it's got the bulb connector on the end, you know, the T10 wedgeless type thing, and it's not exactly environmentally sealed. So I wrapped some tape around it just to see if I can prevent any water ingress or anything like that. But just in case, because I've got very little faith in these things, I've kept the originals. That said though, I do have some LED bulbs, so if push comes to shove and they do end up dying, I'll just keep the originals and pop them back in with some LED bulbs. So whatever, same effect, different way around of doing it. But if you like that one, then you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. The rest of the series is here. Instagram is going to be down here somewhere. And if you did like it, remember to ring the bell and I'll see you in the next video.